I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on trigonometry. We'll take a few multiple choice questions. In this video, we need to evaluate the expression given here when we are given that cosecant A is equal to square root 2. I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on trigonometry. Let us now explore trigonometric expressions. The question here is, if cosecant A equals to square root 2, then find the value of 2 sine square A plus 6 cot square A divided by 4 tan square A minus cos square A. In this exercise, we'll actually concentrate on working with radicals and also review how trigonometric ratios are related. So we are given cosecant A as square root 2. We need to evaluate all this. So what is cosecant A? Well, cosecant A given to us as square root 2 can also be written as 1 over sine A, right? So that means from here we can find what is sine A. So sine A is 1e over, in short we can write cosecant A as this, which is 1 over square root 2. Right? So we know what sine A is. We can find what cos A from sine A using the identity that sine square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So from here we can find what cos A could be, right? So we could take cos square A equals to 1 minus sine square A. So cos A will be equal to square root of 1 minus sine square A, correct? Which is 1 minus square of 1 over square root 2 will be half square root. So that gives you 2 minus 1, which is, let me write here itself. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get this as 1 over square root 2. So cos A is also square root 2. Now we can find what cotangent and tangent are. So tan A is basically ratio of sine A to cos A, which is 1 over square root 2 over 1 over square root 2, which is 1. And cotangent A is 1 over tan A, so which is 1 over 1 and also equal to 1. So with this, we find the values, the exact values for all ratios. Now we can evaluate, correct? So let's substitute here. So we have 2 sine square A, that means 2 times sine is 1 over square root 2, 1 over square root 2 whole square, plus 6 times cot is 1 square, divided by 4 times the value of tan is also 1 minus cos square, which is 1 over square root 2 whole square, correct? So when you open this bracket, you get 2 times 1 over 2 plus 6. Everything divided by 4 minus half. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we get 1 plus 6 divided by, here we could do 8 minus 1 over 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 minus 1 is also 7. 7 over 2. Or it could be written as 7 times 2 over 7. 7 and 7 cancel. We get 2 as our answer. So option B is the right option. Is it clear? So that is how you could actually solve this particular question. Now here is an alternate method, right? We use all trigonometric ratios to find all these values. You could also think about it like this. So let me provide you with an alternate way of solving this. So we know cosecant A will basically be equal to hypotenuse over opposite side, right? So it is reciprocal of sine, right? It is 1 over sine A, you can say, correct? So what you could do here is that you could actually sketch a triangle, right? And in this particular triangle, you are saying that the ratio of hypotenuse to the opposite side is square root 2. That is to say, you are saying that this is square root 2 and that is equal to 1, correct? Now for the angle A, correct? So if you look into this triangle, you can always find the other side as square of this minus this square root, right? So this side will be equal to how much? That side will be square root of square root 2 minus 1. So that gives you the value as 1, correct? So this side is also 1. So once you sketch your triangle, then easily you know all the values, correct? You can say from here that cos is 1 over square root 2, tan is 1 over 1, cotangent is, right? So you don't have to evaluate for each. You get the idea, right? So this is a better strategy. So we'll use this strategy for the multiple choice question. So I hope that works. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.